Hi guys, today we're going to be dehydrating citrus in the air fryer. That's right, you may not know that you can actually dehydrate citrus in these bad boys. I think I might have found the easiest way yet. You guys all love my how to dehydrate citrus in the oven video, so I thought why not give you another option. This is a super simple and easy way for how to dehydrate your citrus. Let me show you how. Okay, so all you need is literally the citrus that you want to dehydrate and your air fryer. I have the Instant Vortex Plus here. I got it from Amazon. If you want one similar, I will leave the link in the description box for you so you can check it out. And in my air fryer, because I use it all the time, I've just lined it with a little bit of parchment paper or baking paper. So that's because it's pretty messy on the tray. If you have a really clean tray, just put the citrus slices straight on. And then yeah, I've just got a selection here of orange, lemon, and lime, which I'm going to cut up in a minute. And then we just literally place it on and I'll show you what to do from there. I like to use a steak knife for cutting citrus because I find that it slices really easily. But my husband said steak knives are for steak, so I'm going to use the big boy. Okay, so when you're slicing your citrus, try and keep them evenly sliced as much as possible. And that'll just help with the cooking and making it nice and consistent. Looks so pretty already. I love the smell of lemon. Is my lemon done? Got a runaway orange over there. This guy's a little bit harder to cut. Looks pretty. Okay, and last but not least, my orange. Yum. I feel like some orange juice. So literally the hardest thing about dehydrating citrus is that you need time and patience. So that's all. That's all you need, time and patience and a low heat. And if you have none of those, then probably just go buy some dried citrus. Beautiful. Okay, now our citrus slices are ready to go. We're going to line them in the basket of the air fryer here. Now, if you're doing small batches, this is where the air fryer is perfect for dehydrating citrus. If you need to dehydrate a lot of citrus at once because we are limited with space with the air fryer, that's when I would say go for the oven. So yeah, make sure you check out that video if you're looking for that option. So I'm just gonna line it here and we're just gonna do a single layer and we're gonna mix it up with the citrus a little bit everywhere. See what we can squish in. Yeah, I did it. I got them all in. Sweet. Okay, so a couple of options for you. If you want to just leave it as is, that is totally fine, and that's what we're going to do today. We're not going to put anything else on the citrus. But if you want to get a little bit fancy, you can do so. You could sprinkle a little bit of spice. So for example, some cinnamon and some sugar on it, or if you want to go down the savory route, you could also sprinkle a little bit of salt. Today we're going to leave them as is, so that is ready to go. Okay, so you need to find the dehydrate setting and it's set to 79 degrees Celsius, which is roughly 174 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's also set for an hour time. So I'm gonna change the time and make it 2 hours. I'm gonna check it at halfway and flip the citrus. So at 1 hour, I will flip the citrus. So we are going to start. That's it, how easy is that? So now we wait. As I said, set your alarm for an hour or just put this on for an hour and then it'll beep, you flip it and then reset it again. That's also another option. Obviously, the cook time or dehydrate time is going to depend on like how thick your slices are and that kind of thing and what temperature you've set it to. So you may need to add a little bit of time. We want to make sure that there's no moisture in the dehydrated citrus when it's finished. Otherwise, it'll start to mold and that kind of thing. So yeah. That's it for now. We'll check it in an hour and flip it. Dehydrated citrus is one of those things that's fabulous to have on hand and ready to go. So it has many purposes. You can use it for so many different things. You can pop it in a soda, so they're great for cocktails, mocktails. You can use it on cakes as well as like a little decoration or garnish. You can use it for salads. You can eat it as it is, like so many different things you can use it for. Or jar it up and put a bow on it. It makes an absolutely beautiful gift as well. Okay, so these have finished dehydrating after 2 hours. So we're just gonna check on them and then assess how much longer that they're gonna need. So let's have a look at them. Woohoo! They look pretty. They look lovely. Oh, they smell so good. All right, so they're getting quite crispy on the outside. I can tell though that a couple of them, like this lemon one for example, that's still got a little bit of moisture in it. So to be very safe, I'm going to put them back on for another hour. I want to get all of the moisture out. So yeah, I'm gonna flip them all back on for another hour and then we'll be ready to go. All right, let's get these guys out of the air fryer. Woohoo, they're looking good. I always go to smell them. They smell beautiful. They look pretty. Look at this. Some limes, some oranges, and some lemons. So there we go, guys. Aren't these absolutely so beautiful? See how they've gone kind of like almost glassy? There's like translucent and pretty. They're nice and crispy. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to put these in a nice soda, have a drink. They're really refreshing and just add that little bit of flavor, which is so nice. So these store in a cool, dry place for 6 to 12 months, as long as you've got all of the moisture out. So yeah, if you do like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well, because I have new videos coming out all the time. And if there are any recipes that you want to learn how to make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.